In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a downloadable file to your Wix site. Whether you're sharing an event flyer, a detailed brochure, or any document you want your visitors to easily access, I'll walk you through the process, step by step, to seamlessly integrate this feature into your website. First things first, we need to open the Wix editor. To do this, log into your Wix account and navigate to the specific site where you want to make your changes. Once you're in, open it up in the editor. This is where you have the creative freedom to customize your website to fit your needs perfectly. Now, we want to add an element to your page. And the great thing about Wix is how user-friendly it is. On the left-hand side of the editor, you'll see a plus Add Elements icon. Go ahead and click on it. You'll have a range of options, but for our purpose today, let's choose either a button or a text element. These are the two elements you can link a file to, so it's just a matter of deciding which one suits your design best. Once you've selected your element, it's time to place it on the page. Simply click on your button or text and drag it to the area on the page where you want it to appear. You might want to think about where it makes the most sense for your users to find this download, as you want it to be easily accessible without disrupting the flow of your page. After placing the element, the next task is to link your file. First, select the button or text element you just added. Look for the link icon, which should be fairly easy to spot. Clicking on it will bring up a pop-up menu. From here, select Document, which will allow you to attach a file to this element. Now, on to the exciting part, choosing the file that you'd like your visitors to download. In the pop-up, hit Choose File. This gives you the option to either upload a new file directly from your computer or select one that you've already uploaded to your media manager. Wix supports various file types, so your options are quite flexible here, whether it's a PDF, Word document, or another format that's best suited for your content. The final step is publishing your site to make these changes live. On the top right corner of the Wix editor, you'll find the Publish button. Clicking this will not only apply all the adjustments you've made, but also enable visitors to download the file when they interact with the element you've set up. And that's all there is to it. By following these straightforward steps, you can add a downloadable file to your Wix site, enhancing your website's functionality and providing an additional resource for your audience. Thank you for watching, and happy website designing.